channel does not promote any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. We declare that some of the contents are taken from social medias. If you find any mistake or copyright violation in our contents, please feel free to contact us through contact@cyberalphabet.in or comment below. We will definitely solve the issue. Thank you. Hi, welcome to CyberAlphabet. In this tutorial, we are going to set up Metasploitable 2 in our machine. Metasploitable is an intentionally vulnerable VM, where we can test or practice our skills. The prerequisites for this tutorial are: first, VMware player. If you have no VMware player, check the video in the card. Second, Metasploitable 2, the link is available in the description. Let's start. Select the Rapid7 website from the search results. Let's wait for the download to complete. The download completed. Now we have the extracted folder here. The files are in VMware supporting format. Let's open the Metasplotable.vmx file. Yes, we did it. Now we can see the vulnerable web applications in our browser. I'll show the applications quickly, and we will explore each of them in the coming videos. Some users may see a pop-up like this. Just click Install Tools, and continue. After use, shut down the VM. We'll explore the different modules in this VM in coming videos. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.